when you grow up, you tend to get told that the world is the way it is. Your life is just to live your life inside the world, try not to bash into the walls too much, try to have a nice family life, have fun, save a little money. That's a very limited life.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
Have you ever thought of changing the world? Would you want the world, on the day you die, runs as it does today? You can be the change.
I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.
Wait. You may think that I'm trolling you, but I'm not, okay? So just wait for a moment. Okay, so this is what I mean by changing the world. I never understand why he has to jump onto the fence. But then I start to wonder, what if he kept jumping onto the fence? So would that actually change the rotation speed of the Earth? So think about this. Let's say the Earth, this is apparently is not in scale, but then let's say the Earth is rotating in this picture in the clockwise direction, and then the fences is again is not in scale, but then he could jump onto the fence. So let's say this is what happened. If you just think about these parts of motion, technically it should slow down the Earth rotation by very tiny bit. So can you calculate that? And I also wonder, if you try to use the numbers of views of this video, which is a lot, imagine if that guy keep jumping for that many times, would it be able to stop the Earth from rotation? That's the question. Let me give you a week or two to work out the answer. I will put the link in the description below. You can submit your answer there. Remember to show me how you work out the answer as well, because this is about modeling and there's no single answer or method to do it. So it's more about what kind of assumptions that you are making, what kind of tools or perspective you are looking at it. I'll look forward to your answers and I'll try to explain my own answer after that.